Module 3, Lesson 12's objective is to change 10 ones for 110, 10 tens for 100, and 10 hundreds for 1,000. In this lesson, students are asked to count by ones from the number 368 to 500. Change for a larger unit when necessary. When you counted from 368 to 500, did you make a larger unit at the number that's designated? To me, it's the easiest thing to do to have the students to record the number that comes before the number in the first box. So for instance, what number comes before 377? Have your student record this number right in front of it, 376, and put a comma, because we use commas when we're making a list. Now ask your student, did you make a larger unit at 377? When you counted from 376 to 377, did you have to make a group of 10, or did you have to make a group of 100? In this case, the answer is no. When I went from 376 to 377, all I did is add another 1. So, on the line over on the far column, it says, no, I need blank ones. So, the question is, how many ones do you need before you need to make a larger unit of 10 or 100? In this case, students will not need to make a larger unit of 10 until they have 3 more ones, because 377 plus 3 brings you to 380. That's when they'll regroup and make a bundle of 10. Now look at the second example here. Did you make a larger unit at 392? What number comes before 392? 391. Write it down here. And don't forget your comma. When going from 391 to 392, did you need to make a larger unit? No. Going from 391 to 392, all you did was add an extra 1 in the ones column. You did not have to bundle them and make a 10 or 100. You won't do that for another 8 more ones when you get to 400. Look at the number 400. What number comes before 400? Write it down. Don't forget your comma. Now this one's a little trickier. When counting by ones from 399 to 400, yes, I added a 1 in the ones column, but when I did that, that made 10 ones. So I had to bundle up my straws and move them over to the tens spot. When I did that, 399 ended up with 10 groups of 10. So I had to bundle those up and move it over to the hundred spot. So 399 to 400, I ended up regrouping twice. I created a bundle of 10 from the number 399 to 400, and I created a bundle of 100 from 399 to 400. Nothing goes in the third column because I did have to make a larger unit or regroup. Now the last 3 are up to you to do. On the line in front of 418, that's where I want you to write the number that comes before 418. And then decide, did you need to make a larger unit? If so, circle the one that you made. If not, put the amount more that you will need before you make another group of 10 or hundreds. Do the same for the last 2 problems. Write the number that comes before 463. Write the number that comes before 470. Then determine whether or not you made a larger unit when counting by ones. If not, how many more ones or tens do you need in order to have to regroup?